So this question is from May-June 2019, paper 11, question number 11. Alright, so in this question they're saying that the reaction between sulfur dioxide and oxygen is reversible. We have this reversible reaction between sulfur dioxide and oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is reacting with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide, and they have given us the value of Kc, which is 280 per mole dm cube at 1000 Kelvin. Alrighty, so in an equilibrium mixture at 1000 Kelvin, the sulfur trioxide concentration is 6 moles per dm cube. So this is the concentration of sulfur trioxide at equilibrium, right? In an equilibrium mixture. So that means this is the concentration of sulfur trioxide at equilibrium. The sulfur dioxide concentration is twice the oxygen concentration, and we can see from equation as well that 2 moles of sulfur dioxide reacts with 1 mole. So they're saying that the sulfur dioxide concentration is twice the oxygen concentration. Whatever the concentration of oxygen is, the concentration of sulfur dioxide is twice that of it. Alright, so what is the sulfur dioxide concentration? We have to calculate the concentration of sulfur dioxide at equilibrium. Okay, so let's just write the equation first. We have sulfur dioxide, 2 moles of sulfur dioxide reacting with 1 mole of oxygen in an equilibrium reaction to give 2 moles of sulfur trioxide. So they have just given us the concentration of sulfur trioxide at equilibrium, that is 6 moles per dm cube. So we just solve the question with that information, that we have 6 moles of sulfur dioxide at equilibrium. We are writing the concentrations at equilibrium. Alright, so we have 6 moles of sulfur trioxide at equilibrium, and let's just assume that the concentration of sulfur dioxide is x moles per dm cube. Okay, so we have to find the value of x, that at equilibrium we have x moles of sulfur dioxide and 6 moles of sulfur trioxide, which was given in the question. So if we have x moles of sulfur dioxide and the ratio between sulfur dioxide and oxygen is 2:1, so that means whatever the moles of sulfur dioxide is, the moles of oxygen would be half of that. So if we have x moles per dm cube of sulfur dioxide at equilibrium, that means the concentration of oxygen at equilibrium would be 1/2x, right? We just half the concentration of sulfur dioxide. So now we have the concentrations at equilibrium. This is concentrations at equilibrium. Okay, so the expression of Kc would be, Kc expression is Kc is equals to concentration of sulfur trioxide, product upon reactant. Sulfur trioxide is the product, square upon concentration of sulfur dioxide, square concentration of oxygen. And the value of Kc is already given in the question, which is 280 per mole dm cube. (280) is equals to sulfur trioxide concentration is 6 square upon x square into 1/2x or 0.5x. So this becomes 280 is equals to 36 upon 0.5x cube, x square into x square into x. This becomes x cube. 1/2 is 0.5, and then this 0.5 will be multiplied with 280. So this becomes 280 into 0.5. This becomes 140 x cube is equals to 36, or x cube is equals to 36 upon 140, and then just simplifying the value of x. So 36 divided by 140 0.2571, and just take the power 1.1/3, that would be 0.33. So this is 0.638. Value of x is 0.638. And now we can just check our options, what our options are. So the option D is correct, 0.636.